Okay, so what I want to do is I found out that OKX provides a economic calendar endpoint, I think was it called, and I want to integrate that into our trading view basically. Do I want the channel or the calendar data? I think for now, let's use this. New folder, economic calendar, and this. Okay. Hartmann server. And let's real quick. I'm confused. Okay. I just want to hide the console logs. Let's integrate that. We need a route.ts which does this. Like that. And then const data equals await OKX client dot. Wait. OKX client dot economic. Then I think it's not integrated, is it? Let's have a look. Okay, X API source. Types util REST client. Then let's real quick. Okay, X API. This was unused, and let's check GitHub. Okay, X API. Sync fork. Okay, discard changes. And now, okay, this has been fixed. And let's real quick. Perfect. And we want to add this endpoint because I think it's not. Copy in there. Trade endpoints private. Okay, get history for block trading endpoints. Funding endpoints. Reset API keys. On stake endpoints. Market data endpoints public. Do we have v5 public? Okay, we have some. Slash economic calendar is missing. Trading data endpoints, what are those? Market data endpoints. Public data endpoints, yes. That's. Let's add get economic calendar. Params any, promise any. Okay, they are all missing types. Oops. And this returns API v5 public economic calendar. Let's make sure this is right, yes. And now types REST client public data export interface economic calendar which has a region which is string. Oh no, these are the request parameters. Okay, response is calendar ID, date is a string, region is a string, category is a string, event is a string, reference date is a string, actual is a string, previous is a string, forecast, date span, importance, view time, pref initial, currency of the data, unit of the data. This returns an array economic calendar data. Calendar data. Request trade new file public.ts, and let's have a look. Algorithm history request. This request. This one's a region with not required. A importance. One, two, three. Before string, after string, but all optional. And a limit. As a string. Comic data request. Let's call this not data, let's call this economic calendar request. Okay, and let's actually add some types as well. Get unit convert. Export interface. Unit convert request, and I guess the stream should be called like adding types to the OKX library, but type is 1 or 2. Instrument ID as a string and required. Type is not required. Size is a string and required. Price is conditional. Unit is not required. And can be coin, use coin, or use these. Oops. Op type is open, close. Convert request. called? Convert data. Type. One or two. Instrument ID. String. Price. String. Size. String. Unit. Coin or USDs. Convert data. Get system time. Get system time. Doesn't want any params. Oh, this would be a breaking. Okay. I don't touch those things. Would be breaking changes. No, how is it called? Yeah, breaking changes. That's our integration. Let's have a look at what we changed. And now create a pull request. From my master to his master, yes. This is fine. Create pull request. At Okay, as this is merged and published, we can then integrate it here to actually get the economic calendar data. What we can do for now is that's the const responses, wait, fetch endpoint, and what's the base URL? Aww. These are the types: util, base REST client, what's the call, post private, get endpoint. Oh, where is it defined? REST client. So, and now we need the economic calendar endpoint. Bub. And if we now restart our F, should be able to get local host 3000, and this is API data economic calendar. Data economic calendar. API data economic calendar. This works, but for some reason how do we call it on our site? Dashboard. Do we need the language for API calls? Instruments, API data instruments. So this works. Why then? Can we open this in the browser? It needs an OK access key. But it's public. Did I maybe then? get and it needs authentication. Then it's but not private. Get private. Would these be public? Like could we say yes. Okay, then say push these changes off. And let's have a look at the pull request. Is it open anywhere? And then let's update the version as requested. To A1. Of course I need to oh man, I thought I can access it, but historical data from 3 months ago. So does this mean 3 months or older is only available to VIP 1 and above? And I can still use it as not VIP tier? Huh. Let's move this in here. We can close this and we can close this. And where is my pull request now? I closed it, of course. Okay, we're waiting. Let's see if I have a response. Okay, something is wrong with the imports. Ah, yeah, sure. REST request in REST request index, and this should export everything from public. Yep. Imports. This is approved now? Oh no, it means all checks have passed. Okay. I guess he will merge it, and then I guess it auto publishes on NPM. So let's wait a few minutes. Since we need auth, and I don't want to implement auth right now here by myself. Okay, okay. So we can then say const data equals client column calendar, I guess. Here is help wanted. Okay, what can we do in the meantime? We can actually fill up our database. Run. Okay, but for that we need to change our endpoint to localhost and not prod, so now it's localhost again, and now we can node mon server. Addresses are, yeah, it's bun run node mon database. And Docker is running, yep. So let's let this run for a few minutes and wait for Tiago to merge. What we can do is OKX should have an endpoint to get trading account, REST API, get positions, and have a look at what this looks like. Then we don't need to, I can get away as much as we can from our database. So we may be able to offer it as a standalone product, the dashboard. So let's add a new folder, position. And let's rename data to OKX. But this means we have to new file route.ts, and let's real quick just copy this and do a const data equals OKX client.get positions params and then we can say const params instrument type app, and we say instrument type. Could we just say this? And then we say here as instrument type, bam. And now we should be able to say, first of all, let's see. Oh no, we should be able to go into hooks API. No, okay, that's our server. OKX. What of them is needed? Let's get rid of our overview. Delete overview. This means we can delete components dashboard, delete, and we make still data historical. So where do we make this? Utils. No. Dashboard data. Can go. Get tickers can go. Can I just delete the whole OKX? Thing. And where do we utils? Once a formatted candle. And if we don't have the formatted candle, no, that's fine. Chart line can go. The trading view hooks should not make requests, so is here maybe. F/data. Where do we make the API data? So we have the here, and what calls it? Initiator. Trading view TS. Trading view TS. Trading view TS. Get collections. Get all symbols. Get bars. And this, of course. Okay, X. Or can we say that's exchange const exchange point to lowercase. Still results in an error, and its request is API OKX historical. But this should exist. Too many requests, because this is running. So if you stop this, actually close it. Perfect. Everything is still working. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then let's have a look at the pull request. Okay, I just pinged him again. Let's see when he can merge it. Okay, so this is no good. Let's actually say then get all symbols does not call get collections. Let's say this calls okay x okay. Okay, no, that's fine. Let's keep it like that for now. This should still work. Waiting for the merge here. This can be closed. This can be closed. This can be closed. This as well. Positions. Okay. Okay. To get the positions, we need to be authenticated. And for that, can we say use server here? And then go into middleware and say no. Don't save. What's this? Okay. Let's close them all. And say now slash positions. This returns nothing because okay, we need to define credentials. Can we say, where do we get it from? Conf. We have a config. No. API key. And let's have a look at the environment. We have them defined in the environment, but do we have a... I think we have something like a config hook. Config hook. Yes. So. Huh?
Es kann sein, dass der Wilhelm vorbeikommt, weil er sich kurz das mit dem Taubenschutz angucken will. Kann er dann hier oben kurz hin, ja, oder?
Ja, muss ich halt kurz noch ein bisschen aufräumen.
Ich muss ja nur die Sachen zur Seite tun hier.
Ups.
Ich weiß nicht wann, aber er hatte gerade dann geschaut, dass ich es noch heute nochmal anmache. Ich gesagt habe, die fangen jetzt langsam an, die Nest zu bauen.
Okay. Huh. Config from hooks. Passphrase. Okay. Does this work? No. Bandef. Can we say console log config dot okx key? Does it? Okay, it has the key, so it authenticates. But we have position opens for swaps. We have positions open. What if we don't provide the instrument type? Okay, I actually want to see the whole config. So I move it out real quick. And now... Okay, it's able to load the stuff from the environment. But... Clear console. Why does it not provide my open positions? Let's confirm real quick with OKX that I have open positions and what API key we are using. Okay. Oops. Can I get this somehow? No. Can I get this? How do I get this back in here? Okay. Positions. And the API key is BF. Okay, it's not my algo trading account. Let's see if it's my main account. API. It's my main account. This one. And has read permissions. So why does it not return? And let's actually see, we have futures. We have open positions. So why does it not return any? So log data, comma, instrument type. That's of course a promise. Wait. Yes, now we have position data. Okay. So, we now have position data. Um, okay. I'm thinking of this is jetzt still done server side now. I wanted this to be client side, but then we need to specify or somehow save the API keys client side. Hmm. Um, okay, I end the stream because I have to clean up my room. And actually, oh, my own positions look really good. Crazy. Um, yeah, I will